Donna from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Darlene with me, and she is one of the cute sisters that Brenda, the last videos you guys had seen. Anyway, this is one of the cute sisters. So I want to show you her haircut. This is super easy. So if anybody that is looking for super easy, she tends grandkids sometimes, so she likes to get up and have it be easy, right? Mm-hmm. Just double checking. Yes. Okay, so the number 3, 4. I go, oh yeah, 4, sorry. You go to about here. Sorry, it's a 4. I lied. I lied. Why did I have that in my head? I don't know. Okay, so you can see we just take that tight right there, and then I'm gonna blend this in just a minute. Okay, so we take that part off, okay, and then I'm gonna start up here, and I'm gonna point cut into this, and come back here. Same thing on this side, just point cut. And then of course the back, well, I'll show you how I blend it in just a second. But the sides and the back are so short that it just goes. It's just in its spot, so that's always nice. Yep, so we're videotaping these on a Monday, and I said, this is a great way to start out my week with these cute gals. Brenna's behind the video camera, so to see all these cute gals, start my week out makes my day. And you guys, I want to show you how short this is. So this is just about 1 inch short up here. Just so you know when you're cutting. And you guys, you gals come down every 5 weeks, is it? Or is it 6?
Isn't it 5?
Is it? I thought it was 5, yeah.
5 weeks.
That's what I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought, yep. And Lorna, she's the other sister. She's so stinking cute too. We're not gonna videotape her, but say hi, Lorna. She's like, what the? Donna, I said no video camera. I know, I love her. She's so cute. Okay, so she is. They're all just a blast. Okay, so her bang area, I'm gonna come in and just kind of notch this out a little bit with this shears. Okay, now before I blend and take her side short, I'm gonna have her feel that, sweetie, and see if that's short enough.
Yeah.
Is that about right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. Okay, now for blending, I'm gonna take my comb. I like a really fine comb that's flat, and I'm gonna bring this up against her head. And again, I apologize, these are so loud, they dropped, and so my clippers are like extra loud right now. So I apologize. So I bring this in, and I'm gonna hold it out a little bit. If you leave it in, you're gonna make a big hole. Not a hole, it's just gonna cut it shorter up there. Okay, and then I'm gonna come and I'm gonna move her ear and just pull that hair out because we want that tight by her ear. And then you just bring the comb, and you can see how I almost bring the comb out. And then I just go up with the comb, just so it blends. Okay, same over here. I'm just gonna move her ear out of the way and hold that hair. You doing good, my dear? You okay? All right. Perfect. Okay, now what I want to do is take the little trimmers, okay, and I'm going to come and I'm going to shape this. So you can see how it kind of comes into a V right there. We'll go around her ear, then move her ear. Okay, I know this sounds weird, but Darlene, your ears are easy to work with. I know that sounds crazy. There are ears that are stiff, and if you cut hair out there, you know what I mean.
Wait till I pass that on.
Yeah. I'm like, it's so nice, because some of you are like trying to move and they won't move, and you're like, you feel like, well, I don't want to hurt him.
Maybe they're big.
No, no, not at all. Okay, so we just come across, straight across here, clean that all up. Okay, I'm gonna go around her ear this way. And again, we're gonna do this into the point. Okay, sweet. All right, now I'm gonna give some texture because she likes it to stand up. And you used to like do it up, right? But now you do a little bit down on your forehead.
Yeah, well, it depends.
It depends. Sometimes you just want to up and off. So you can do it both ways, you guys, right? Do you do it both ways sometimes?
Sometimes, yeah, but mostly down, you know.
Mostly down.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure. For sure. Okay, now we're gonna put the mousse in. Okay, and then the volume and lift spray. Just rub that in. Okay, now this is the easy part. The vacuum is dry down, obviously. And you can just take your fingers back and forth. Then when it's almost dry, I bring this Epic brush in here. Go back and forth, give her a little massage.
Yeah.
Little head massage. Then we like to take a little bit of this styling paste and rub it here. And just kind of piece this out. I'm going to turn her to the mirror so I can make sure we're, haha, you're short again.
Yeah.
Cute. Thank you. Yeah, this haircut just suits her. It works great. Super cute. Just kind of piece out those bangs a little bit. Those bangs feel good. Is that about right? Okay. Just hairspray this up a little bit. So it's cute, super easy, gives her some height here a little bit, and then everything else she doesn't have to worry about. Stays right in place. That's the best way to train your hair.
It is. Yeah, stay in place.
That's right. All right, my dear. So cute. Okay, let me just turn her, sorry, to the mirror one more time. I want to make sure it's just right. Okay, and then I will turn her around one more time. Take you for a little spin. Whoa. She's like, oh my gosh.
She's grown up.
Oh, too cute. Okay, thanks, my dear, for letting us videotape you. Thanks so much for your support, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this haircut. Hopefully it'll help one of you out there to have short, easy hair. So have a great day. Thank you. See ya.